Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Smart Science Skills. Okay, now today we will learn about seed dispersal. Let's go. According to the topic, what is seed dispersal? Okay, seed dispersal is important for seeds to be scattered away in different directions. That if they will be scattered around in different directions, they have to be away from the parent plant. This is called dispersal. Well, dispersal ensures the young plant that grow from the seed will not compete with the parent plant and one another and will start fighting for more sunlight, water, nutrition, and space. Well, plants can't move, but there are some ways that how the seeds can be dispersed. They can generally be dispersed by wind, water, explosive actions, or splitting, or animals. First, let's take a look at dispersal by wind. Seeds dispersed by wind are generally small and light. Some of these have wing-like structures, like Axana, African tulip seed, and maple seed. You can see those wing type things. These help the seed to stay afloat in the air and thus making them far from the parent plant. Okay, now some seeds do not have wing-like structures. They are very light and have hair that help them stay afloat, like a dandelion. When you blow it, they are very light and the hair will just keep them afloat in the air and making them away from the parent plant and thus they will start germinating. Now the second is dispersal by water. Fruits of most plants dispersed by water are able to float on water and have a waterproof covering. These fruits also have fibrous husks. Like these trap air that enable them to stay afloat. If, if without it, they will just sink in the water. The flowing water then carries this fruit and takes it to its new location, away from the parent plant. And these seeds can sometimes cross entire oceans. Okay, now dispersal by explosive action. What does it mean? It means fruits that are dispersed by explosive action. That means they have a pod or a capsule, like this pea pod and the ladybug capsule. Okay, when they dry up, they they just pop up and it creates a force that just throws the seeds to another place away from the parent plant. Okay, now dispersed by we'll see about it. Some plants can rely on animals. That means some trees have fleshy edible foods with some seeds in it that can be eaten unnoticedly, such by animals such as birds and mammals. These fruits when ripe are usually brightly colored to attract animals. They have a bright color that attracts animals, and when they swallow it, they swallow the unnoticed tiny seeds, and they are then passed out unharmed by the animal away from the parent plant. There is also another way. Some animals collect fruits and seeds and bury them in places, like a squirrel. They bury them in places and decide to eat them later, and sometimes they forgot to take it and the seed germinates in a new location. Another way is some seeds have hooks, spines, or stiff hair that can easily get caught in the fur or feathers of passing animals, like a horse, parrots, and other things that have other animals that have fur and feathers. These seeds fall off the animal accidentally when they brush their place against the bush accidentally, and the seed just fall off from the fur and just start germinating away from the parent. Okay, like my video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. So thanks for watching.